Hello, this is Dr. Kasturi R. Naik. Today onwards, I'm starting with Empower Tuesday series with a goal in my mind to reach to 5,000 plus individuals and to enable them to empower their life so that they are ready to be seen and recognized for their creative talents which is already within them. So today's topic is say yes to success in life using 3 principles. Let's begin. We all want success in life, but many a times we believe that leading a successful life is a complicated process. Generally, according to psychology, it's a human nature even to complicate simple things. Yeah, I do understand that in life we have different challenges. In life, we have people around us sometimes who do not follow the ideology which we have, but life is designed to be so. Okay, so there are simple 3 principles which I'm going to share with you, which can make it possible for you to lead a successful life. Yeah, so the first principle is don't waste energy. I was recently listening to a talk show of Oprah where she was talking with Marianne Williamson. Oprah asked Marianne that, you are doing so many things at one time. You are an author. She was also having her political career stint at that particular time. So you're doing that. You have a family, and then you are also a coach. You have your online courses. How are you managing so many things together? So Marianne just replied in one simple statement that I don't waste energy. And I was like, yeah, that's true. Don't waste energy is the first principle. So many number of times we waste our energy worrying about the things which is not in our control. So can we start focusing our energy on things which is in our control? Especially when we keep on worrying about the things which have happened in the past, that presentation in the past which didn't went well, that relationship which broke down because of certain misunderstandings. Instead of focusing on whatever didn't went well in the past, can we learn out of whatever happened and be there in the present to create our future? Yes, like Ratan Tata is in one of his quote has mentioned that ECG, life is like an ECG, up and down, up and down. If there is a straight line, it means that you are dead. Likewise, in your life, if we keep on wasting energy when we are down, instead of, utilizing the energy to rise up. Yeah, so rising up is important. We will sometimes be down, sometimes be up. But generally, what is a mistake is not coming down. The mistake is not rising up once we come down. Okay, so don't waste energy into the past. That is the first success principle. Okay, the second success principle is that intentionally develop a process to build momentum. Yeah, what do I mean by this is, once you set a strong mental foundation to not waste your energy in the past, what you can do is start setting certain goals which are not vague. Now we are near to the year end. Yeah, so generally what happens is we set vague goals which overwhelm us, goals which feel like burden to us. Instead of that, can we start setting goals which are positive, achievement focused, which are more contextual, ecological and resourceful? Yeah, can we start setting goals which are specific and time bound? Can we start setting goals where we know where to start and where to stop? Because many a times I've seen youngsters, okay, they want to be healthy and so they join gym. A point comes in their life where they start becoming healthy, and then with an obsession to have those 6 packs or 0 figure, they don't know where to stop and they end up taking more of protein, more of steroids, and they start getting victim of unhealthy lifestyle. Yeah, So we have to intentionally develop a process to build momentum so that we know that the goals which we are setting are specific, time bound, and we know where to start the goal and where to stop. Just a simple example, if I want to be healthy, is that enough a goal? No. I have to go ahead and decide, okay, I will say I want to be healthy by walking. Is that enough a goal? No. I will be healthy by walking, but when? So maybe I'll say I'll walk every day. Is that enough? No. Maybe I'll say Monday to Friday I'll walk 6 to 7 in the morning. That is a particular specific time bound goal. Okay. So you need to set goals which are positive, achievement focused, which are resourceful, which are contextual, ecological, specific and time bound. And then intentionally develop a process to build the momentum. Okay, so that you know that achieving of your goals is not a burden, but it is a choice. Yeah. Then we come to the third success principle. This success principle is see the world through the lens of value-based model. Okay, what do I mean by this? If you see at the top women entrepreneurs, okay, who I also idolize, Vandana Luthra, or you see Priya Paul, or if you see even Aditi Gupta, or if you see Kiran Muzumdar, there is a common set of value systems which I believe they follow. One is their dedication and their focus, second is the consistency, and third is persistence, that is never say die attitude. If we do not have any set values in our life becomes like, we are just strolling aimlessly. A point comes when we are frustrated, we are angry, we don't know what we are doing. So instead of that, if we have a moral campus in our moral direction in our life, and if we know where we are going, where we are leading, like I go out of my home and I keep on wandering here and there, it will lead to frustration. But if I know that from here, maybe if I stay at Mulund, from Mulund I have to go and reach to Bandra, then I know the direction, I know where I am going. So see the life through a value-based lens, through a value-based model. Have certain basic value systems in the life. So you can simplify this further and set certain value system for your physical and mental health. You can set certain value systems for your relationships. You can set certain value systems based on your knowledge and learning. You can set certain value systems for your financial goals. And whenever you're setting goals, do not set anything outside these value systems, so you know where to start and where to stop. So when power comes in your hand, so when you start reaching your goals, you do not allow it to overpower you, to overwhelm you to a point where that goal becomes hazardous for you. Yes. So these are the 3 success principles which will actually start and initiate the process of success in your life. This reminds me of the quote by Tom Clancy. He says that overnight success is 10 years in making. So we have to have dedication, consistency and persistence, that is never say die attitude, and follow this simple 3 success principles. Okay, the first principle is, what is the first principle? That is build your life in such a manner that you don't waste your energy. The second success principle is that you intentionally develop a process to build momentum when you're setting goals. And the third very important thing is see the world through the lens of value-based model. Yep. So that's it for today. If you feel that this video was informative, like and share this video if you're watching on Facebook or LinkedIn, and do subscribe to this video if you're watching on YouTube. Thank you. Take care. Stay well.